Hi, I'm Skinner from ITS. Check out this sweet innovation from Makita, the DCM501Z cordless coffee maker. By adding this to your collection, you can easily make freshly brewed real coffee wherever you're working. The coffee maker is compatible with Makita's LXT and CXT range of batteries and can operate on 12, 14.4 and 18 volts. It has a built-in removable water tank for easy refilling and comes with a coffee measuring spoon and insulated mug as standard. Other mugs are available. The coffee maker has an integrated coffee filter, but is also compatible with the coffee pods, as well as being able to make a proper cup of tea. It's compact, lightweight, and can easily be chucked into your tool bag. Alternatively, you can use the carry handle provided. Let us know what you think about this product in the comments below, or head to its.co.uk to get yours now. Cheers.